second race of the Marble Cup takes us to high heights in the moving mountain. A lot of stuff can happen on this course. You might be able to see there's a lot of moving obstacles that we can see. Avalanche Chugs currently takes the lead in the standings. Toad second place. 5 points difference, but we only have had one race, and you cannot assume much from the very first. So we're going to start the qualifiers in a few seconds here to see where else are we going at the positions at the beginning of the race. What we're going to do is begin the qualifiers. Gru, Peppa Pig, Mike Wazowski, and Homer Simpson will take out this first heat. Let's see those moving obstacles starting to move. Obviously, Gru is going to take the lead going into the first sector. But as you can see, there's a lot of there's those triangle kind of moving obstacles. They're not moving, those spinners. You know what I'm talking about. That moving area, that has a lot of movement. Can't speak right now. Peppa Pig, Gru, Michael Jackson, Homer Simpson fall out in that order. Peppa Pig, 22 seconds. We're only having pole position. Peter Griffin, Toad, Mario, and Hamlet will take on the second course or second race. That's what we call it. Toad at second place. There fell down way to last. Peter Griffin. Oh, look at Hamlet. He is taking a good lead against everybody. There's Mario trying to battle Peter Griffin. He beats Peter Griffin and he beats Hamlet going down the front stretch. And Mario will take the win. Up next, Balance Chugs, Henry Stickman, Scratch Cat, and Poe on the next course. Balance Chugs, winner of the first race, will be able to win a second one? We don't know. Balance Chugs, he's doing really good in this qualifying course, though. We're only a little over halfway through now. It's only been like 15 seconds. Balance Chugs has it, and that's going to be a good time coming out. There's everyone else. Look at Poe. That's like 6 seconds behind. Balance Chugs, 21 seconds. That's probably pole position. And now SpongeBob, Sans, Lightning McQueen, and Cookie will take on now. SpongeBob, so far 0 points, which is kind of unexpected after SpongeBob has had good performances before. Lightning McQueen having a big lead against everybody. Here comes Sans, showing the unpredictability of the moving mountain. Sans is going to look to have a good finish. He will, 23.607. There's Balance Chugs in pole position, a full second above everyone in this race. Peppa Pig second. Toad second place overall in the standings, second to last on the starting grid. We have Gru, who's also third in the middle of the pack there. Let's start the moving mountain. And we are off in this 15-lap race. Balance Chugs pole position. He's going to look to have the lead going into the next turn, but that's going to be lost because he has just fallen down so many spots from that one hurdle. That's the unpredictability of this course. I've said it multiple times now. SpongeBob currently has the lead now. Mario up in second. Mike Wazowski takes that back. Lightning McQueen and Mario are going to have a little fight going off the elevator for this first lap. Be a bit crazy going in. Mario's going to look to have the lead. Lightning McQueen's going to take it back. There's Mario. Oh, it's a race between the two. Oh, Lightning McQueen's going to slow down in that big area. And it's going to be Mario's going to have it. Mike Wazowski's going to go up into second place as well. And McQueen in a close third. Also, Balance Chugs, pole position, currently in 12th right now. So not be good for him. Mario currently still has the lead. Lightning McQueen's slowing down. Mario's lead is going to stretch. Look at Mike Wazowski. He's up in second place. He's looking to have some good shots. And Mike Wazowski's going to take the lead. Mario's going to take it right back, though. It was very brief. It's going to be neck and neck between the two. Mike Wazowski's going to get a good jump into the elevator. Mario is going to fall to fourth by slowing down to that elevator. That elevator is also, just in general, very unpredictable. Mike Wazowski also now holds fastest lap, which will give you an extra point at the end of this race. Mike Wazowski is still a big lead. See, 4th place is still only beginning the lap right now. Mike Wazowski, big lead. Meanwhile, we're looking at Lightning McQueen here, up in 2nd. Balance Chug's trying to gain positions, but only in 11th currently. Probably wasted all of his energy from the first race. Mike Wazowski still has the lead. Mario is actually getting a bit closer to anybody, at least. Mario's trying to beat Lightning McQueen. Meanwhile, Mike Wazowski's still stretching that lead unanimously. And Lightning McQueen's going to have it. That gap between the lead has fallen a little bit. I don't know what the distance is, but it's not going to be bigger than it was last time. 2 seconds, that's still a big margin, but it is not that much. Mike Wazowski, we don't even know where he is. He might be lapping someone by this point. Where is he? He's right now ending the lap. Lap 6, around 3rd away for this race. Lightning McQueen, the camera here is doing bad. Whoever's that cameraman really sucks. Where that is. Lightning McQueen still in 2nd place. There is Mike Wazowski. But he did slow down on triangle spinners. That lead is getting a little bit smaller. Lightning McQueen still in 2nd place. Oh, he's going to hit that attenuator right there. It's going to slow that silver down. But that lead is going to actually get smaller. Somehow Lightning McQueen did a good job on that lap. It's under 2 seconds now. Getting into the 8th lap. You can even see Badlands Chugs. Mike Wazowski. No, wait. Lightning McQueen has taken the lead. Mike Wazowski's trying to take it back. Lightning McQueen has taken the lead. But I was saying, you could have seen Badlands Chugs right there on lap 7 still. And he's right there on the elevator. Who's going to get the better leap in the elevator? It's Lightning McQueen. Mario has also catched up to Mike Wazowski as well. We've slowed down so much. Lightning McQueen about to lap Badlands Chugs. Mario's up in 3rd place as well. There's Sans. SpongeBob down there. Okay, oh, Mario actually has the lead now, but it is neck and neck between the 3. Mario's going to have the lead going into the elevator. Mike Wazowski looks to have a slightly better position, though. We enter a 10th lap of this race. Mario's going to have it. He is going to hit that hurdle right there that can randomly appear in the moving mountain. Mike Wazowski is now going to take the lead. And he might be lapping Badlands Chugs. We don't know. Remember, Badlands Chugs got pole position. And about fastest lap. I want to say Badlands Chugs. Poa's fastest lap again currently. Now, Peppa Pig has actually shot up to 2nd place. 2nd place in the qualifiers. Might be getting 2nd place in the race. Badlands Chugs. He looks to have the lead, but that's not the lead. He's actually about to get lapped. Can't see where Mike Wazowski is. I don't know where. Probably on the elevator by now. No, there he is. He's now just got on the elevator. And it's going to be Mike Wazowski still in the big lead. There's Mario still in 2nd. Pig who's going to be in 3rd. Mike Wazowski quick through the spinners. Will he lap Badlands Chugs? It'll be hard to find out. It's neck and neck between those two to see if Badlands Chugs is going to do so bad. He's getting lapped. 28 seconds is the difference from Mike Wazowski to Badlands Chugs, actually. And Mike Wazowski has just lapped Badlands Chugs, and he's about to lap Scratch Cat as well. And he has just lapped Scratch Cat. 2 marbles that Mike Wazowski has lapped. Mike Wazowski is trying to do a great job in this race. 1 point last time is what he got. This would be really good for Mike Wazowski in the standings. I don't know where he is, but that is still the lead. Avalanche Chugs is still being lapped. There's Sand. Sand is up in second, surprisingly. I don't know how Sand's got that high. I've seen him in like the top 6, mainly in this race. But that's a bit crazy that Sands will be... I would say there's a chance of him getting a podium position. Mario is up in second place. Mario 0 points in last place at Triangular Turnpike. Now Poe's trying to gain some spots. I've seen him in... Oh, there he goes. Okay. There, he's dead. And where did Lightning McQueen go? He's down in 5th, is what the standings say. And also, SpongeBob's actually going in, and we're in the final lap. I think it's obvious that Mike Wazowski's going to win. Oh, look at Sands. He's going up in 3rd place. Mario's also probably going to take 2nd. Let's look at 3rd. It's going to be neck and neck between SpongeBob and Sands for the position. But Mike Wazowski has won at the Moving Mountain and has also lapped Gru as well. Mario's going to look to have 2nd, but look at the 3rd place tie we have. Who is going to get it? 15 points. Whoever gets 10. It's going to be SpongeBob according, I can't speak, to the scoring pylon. Peter Griffin, Lightning McQueen, Toad, Hamlet, Homer Simpson, Peppa Pig, Henry, Stickman, Poe still gets fastest lap again. Cookie is going to finish out. Oh, look, that's Mike Wazowski again. Gru is going to get 14th. All of these are going to get 0 points, so it's not that important. Scratch Cat and Badlands Chugs rounding out this race. Crazy. There almost 12 seconds was the difference between first and last. Mike Wazowski, easy win on the podium. Mario and SpongeBob also get silver and bronze. Looking at the standings, Mike Wazowski has shot up 10 spots into the lead. Mario has also shot up 12 to 4th. Avalanche Chugs has fallen down to 3rd. Toad stays in 2nd. It's a tie between the two. Tie's broken by medals. I'm Jack Maples, and I'll see you next time.